this was the painting, the inspiration for this painting, but I have decided that this was just too hard on me. That I want to be able to look at this painting for a few years at least, and this was just too much. So I've decided to calm down this painting, and like this green is calm, it recedes, it's not going to bother me too much. I'm not sure about this here, and I'm also not so sure about this dark blue. I don't mind having some of it, but I don't think I'm going to have such a big area, because I think when I calm down the rest of the painting, this right here is going to show too much. It's going to come forward too much. Also, I think I'm going to change this blue because I'm not in love with that exact blue, and that seems to be cobalt blue and white. So I think the whole painting is going to be a dissected lily, but it's going to be more of a botanical painting and suggestive of a botanical painting and more subdued. So let's get on with the painting. Tomorrow I'll be back and we'll see if we can finish it up. Hi guys, it's Lily again. I'm back in the studio. What I've done so far, this is how far I got on my deconstructed lily botanical painting. What I did here was, this is a very muted green. I wanted to push it back, so I mixed a phthalo blue, yellow, and I added red to it to make it dull and push back. This is phthalo blue, and of course this is white, and this is that deep yellow. I got this far and I love the painting. You know I love a lot of white from my acrylic pouring videos. I always love a lot of white. I like my surroundings to be peaceful, and I think that's because my mind works really fast and I'm always thinking and clicking, and so I'm already busy enough. So I like my surroundings to be smooth and subtle. So that's how far I am right now. And you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this painting aside and work on the next one. And by the way, French curves, I probably started that small painting that I showed with an S curve. I probably literally took one of these S curves. A friend gave them to me. They were originally used on the first ship that made it to the moon, and a man made them himself. And so I'm so grateful to have these, because I do believe they have great positive energy. The intellectual energy, I feel the vibes off of them. And he made his own S-curves, the man who helped design, I don't know, the Apollo or one of those. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up a new canvas and get started on my drawing. And I guess I'll just use some of those curves and see if I can make a compatible lily painting. And by the way, the fleur de lis, the French leaf that you see, was designed off of, fleur de lis means flower of lily. So that French lily that you see everywhere is actually deconstructed. Hey guys, this is how I finished my paintings for the double paintings for the sides of my sofa. And I would have shown you more about these paintings, except that it's just flat paint, and I used phthalo blue for the blue, added a little lemon yellow for the green, and it's titanium white for the white, and Mars black and white for the gray. And it's just what is it? Deconstructed lily. So in my spring manic phase, I have cleaned and cleaned. Oh, there goes Kitty. Let me get you in there, Kitty. I have cleaned, Kitty. I have cleaned everything and put all of my tools, my sloppy tables, in this closet right here. I cleaned it out and put everything away, and that still has to go into storage. And so I kind of like it, only it looks like I moved out because I got rid of everything, and I took all my paintings from under there that I used to have and moved those baskets there, and I still have some empty planters that I don't know what to do with yet. and reorganize that. And so, oh, there it goes dark again. And I also took all the blankets off of my sofa because my studio is in this room. I covered the sofa all the time thinking I was going to get paint on it, and I never did. So I took that material and put it over on the red chair that I thought, you know, I just couldn't stand it anymore, and I tested it to see if I would like gray on that chair, and I don't. I think I should put a cream or white colored chair, make that. And I also put some material on this table right here. It's just test material. I just threw it on there to see if I would like it more plain, and I do. And let's see what else. I'm still loving my plants. And let's see. I can't see. So yeah, they're growing and rooting really nice. The ivy is doing really well. And the mint is turning out good. I have to water it every day and keep it in full sun. And these are rooting really nice. And here's some samples. And one of the buds on that flower, it grew a flower. It's an outdoor plant, but it grew a flower. And let's see, over here, my favorite pots that I love. This plant is doing really well, and I figured out it needed sun because when the leaves started to yellow, I put it in sun and the chlorophyll came back into the plant. That's how I came across that. And I restuffed a pillow for Kitty so I don't have to have blankets up there. And let's see, that's about it. Yeah, I never have gotten paint on any of my furniture, so I'm not too worried about it now. Oh, also, this is a planter that I found. It's only $8.89 at Walmart. So they're running out of them quick because they're really so cool. And it's a good one for succulents because it's shallow. And so you really need to put it in full light if you want your succulents to hold their color. They really like full sunlight. But I'm just propagating in that one. So this is my view from my desk, and there's little Kitty, and I absolutely love her. This is my view from my desk, and I really like it. Let's see Kitty. There she is. Hi, Kitty. Oh, and I bought a new back for the cover for my iPad so that it would also be light gray. And I'm doing some watercolors right now because I am just too manic to get into a real painting, and so I'm just trying to do some peaceful work right now. And well, I'm starting a new one, so I can't show you the one I just did. So Kitty's always trying to get in the picture. Okay guys, just for grins, I'm not a watercolor painter, and I just decided to take these things out because it's very easy to paint in watercolors to see what I could do. So I'm painting some geraniums, and I'm a portrait painter at heart in oils. And there we go. There is a person in my flower pot. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your views. I don't know where Kitty went. Well, there's her little food station where I put behind there so I don't have to look at it all the time. So thanks for watching, you guys. Please come back again and be good to yourself.